I am Akash Raju, the Chief Executive Officer of Mallur Flora and Hospitality Private Limited. The production facility of Mallur Flora and Hospitality Private Limited is used for the production of Ayurvedic medicines and health supplements. It is funded by the Industrial Financial Corporation of India. The production facility is located 40 kilometers from Bangalore International Airport, and the campus borders the project area of Mastinahalli Industrial Phase 2 by the Government of Karnataka, which spans for over 700 acres. The factory campus itself spans for over 40 acres, and apart from the facility itself, the campus consists of a mango orchard and a grape orchard. A considerable space has been dedicated for growing medicinal plants too. From the 40 acres of the campus, 10.5 acres has been converted for industrial use. The carpet area of the production facility spans over 90,000 square feet. As of now, the production capacity is 2 lakh bottles, that is 1 lakh liters a day. Once this project realizes its full potential, it can have a turnover of Rs 7,000 crores. The entire processing facility is mechanized. It is also ensured that the lowest possible human intervention is required during the production process, hence removing the possibility of any unexpected contaminants. The production facility also comprises of an in-house laboratory.
We have a sister company, vedelixir Global Private Limited, through which we are marketing health supplements such as vedelixir and vedelimine. Furthermore, we are developing several products such as VED BP, VED Power, etc.
Thank you very much.